with a unboxing. This time it is a quite large box. It's the perfect grade Exia. This is the lighting model. As you probably noticed on my last video, I did bring back quite a few kits from Japan, this being one of them. As usual for Bandai, it's got the nice bust illustration on the front cover. This side here, it shows the actual mobile suit with all the lights on. And here we go on the back. It's got your different photos. Starting with, it's got the different poses. In the middle, it's got the actual Exia all lit up. And just shows you some of the different gimmicks on the bottom, as well as the armor and the weapons. On this side here, with this kit here, the lighting mode does change color, so it's just got some illustrations of the colors there, and also shows you the inner frame with the lights on and so forth, and pretty much just plain on that side. Opened. You'll have to bear with me, this is quite a big box. I try not to make this video too long. Some room here. Okay, this bag here consists of two runners. Got the multicolour runner and part of the outer frame. This bag here got some chrome plated parts. Quite a nice chrome, it's like more of a grey chrome rather than your standard high polished chrome. Here we've got another bag with two runners, also multicolour runner, some more of the armour parts. And here we've got, looks like some of your see-through, got a bit of a blue tinge to it. That would be nice with the LED lights shining through them. Here we've got the runner with the beam effect parts, and it looks like some of the shield parts. We've got two runners here, some outer frame runners, and looks like some inner frame as well as the hand parts. Here we've got two runners of inner frame as well as weapons and some more of the shield. And here we've got two main runners and a small runner consisting of the pilot, some more green effect parts and some inner frame parts there. And here we've got two runners, looks like armour pieces. The detail on these pieces, they do look quite nice, so should come up nicely with the panel lining. And here we've got some green effect parts and some more of the armour parts. Some more, two runners of inner frame parts. And some more armour parts there. Looks like some inner frame parts. You'll have to bear with me, there looks like quite a few parts in this kit. We've got some more inner frame, looks like more of the bust parts. And looks like the rubber shoulder pieces. Just put that down there for now. We've got some inner frame parts, more weapon parts. Some the base parts. And we've got the main base. Got some inner frame parts. They like the cardboard packaging, which is good. More cardboard packaging. And here we've got some armour parts for the weapons. And it's like the GN drive see-through parts. Another nice figure of the pilot there. More inner frame parts, as well as purpley blue armour parts. And more inner frame parts, looks like either leg or shoulder parts. And you've got the LED kit. It's nicely taped. You got your stickers. This kit would have been nice, considering it's a perfect grade, to either be water slide or dry transfer, not just your standard stickers. What we've got here, here's a little brochure if you wanted to get the repair kit for it. Something to think about. Okay guys, here we've got the manual for the Exia. As usual for a perfect grade, it is quite a thick manual. As the same with the front cover on the box, it's got the same illustration, nice, of the bust of the Exia on the side-on pose. Turn the page, we've got the front pose illustration all lit up, it's nice. It's got a bit of a write-up here about the particles. The good thing with this manual also, it's in Japanese as well as in English. And here it just shows you some different poses you can accomplish with this kit. Got some more write-up, shows you the weapons, and here it's got the list of all the runners. And as usual, 2 pages of that. Shows you all the wiring lineup for the LED kit. Same there. And now we're starting to the build. Now with the Gundam Exia, especially the perfect grade, this kit comes in the Lightning model, which is the one this is, as well as the standard. The manual you get in both are the same. So with this kit, just follow the pink diagrams, that's for your wiring. If you're building the standard, just do the straight build and don't pay attention to the pink parts. And more of the wirings and build setup. And if we go towards the back, try not to miss a page. And here it's got some more nice illustrations of the Exia. What I do like also, it shows you the picture of the inner frame with all the LEDs lit up, and shows you also the different color scheme as well, and some more write-up of the anime. And here we've got on the side here the color chart and all your decal locations as well as your base and weapons. And that's the back cover. Alright guys, that's it for this unboxing. Hope the video wasn't too long. I did try and cut some corners also by not opening the bags and showing you the runners individually, because that would have taken a lot more time. If you did like this, leave a thumbs up, hit that bell also to get notifications of other unboxings. I will also be doing a review on this kit once I'm finished. Yeah, you should get also the notifications for that. If you haven't checked yet Japan haul, please go back to a previous video. I'll leave a link for that at the end of this video. There is also a mention of a giveaway in there, so be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.